Two productivity giants, one clear goal. Which truly powers your workflow? Which one really delivers? On the left, Coda, dynamic and collaborative docs. And on the right, Todoist, task management made easy. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how each performs where it counts. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly which tool comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. So what are we actually comparing these two on? Let me pull up our mind map. Right at the center, we've got Coda versus Todoist. Around that, we've got categories like task management, documentation capabilities, collaboration features, cross-platform compatibility, and, oh yes, pricing. I'll walk you through each one. Let's go. Let's kick things off with task management. Now, Coda can honestly do a lot with tasks. You've got custom forms, and there's integrated workflow magic if you're into setting up processes. But in reality, it's not made specifically for task management, so some parts can feel a bit clunky. Now, Todoist, this is where it shines. All those advanced recurring tasks you never knew you needed, they're built in. Deadlines, Todoist basically lives for them. But fair note, it's not about documentation here, just tasks. So yeah, if you want raw task power, Todoist is the one to beat. Next up, documentation capabilities. Now, this is honestly Coda's playground. It does note-taking, full-blown document creation, you name it. If you need a huge knowledge base, it's got your back. Todoist? It's got basic notes, sure. But if you want to make anything more than a grocery list or a quick idea, you're gonna hit a wall. So honestly, this one is Coda's win, hands down. All right, third round, collaboration features. So Coda makes teamwork feel super smooth. You can share docs, track who did what, set things up together. Seriously, awesome for teams. Todoist, yeah, it's more about personal productivity. You can share a task list if you want, but compared to what Coda does, it's kind of limited. So if you're collaborating, Coda really runs away with this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Coda actually integrates seamlessly with Todoist? So if you're deep in task management, you can kind of get the best of both worlds. Pretty neat, right? Let's talk about cross-platform compatibility. This is actually pretty cool because both Coda and Todoist kind of nail it. You can use them on desktop, mobile, web. So if you're hopping between devices all day, either one's got you covered. Tie game on this front. Now for the spicy one. Pricing. Coda offers flexible plans, especially nice for big teams and complex setups. But, and it's a big but, if you want all the bells and whistles, it can get a bit pricey. Todoist, on the other hand, sticks the landing with a solid free version that gives you a ton right away. And the premium plans won't break the bank. If you want value for your cash, Todoist takes it. Check out this radar chart. Each category laid out. And you can see pretty clearly how Todoist just nails task management and pricing. Coda dominates in documentation and collaboration. With cross-platform, it's neck and neck. It's wild how each tool really has its own strengths. So, you know what? If your life is all about working with documents, collaborating with your team, and building out workflows, Coda is absolutely the move. But if you're laser-focused on tasks, planning your days, and keeping costs low, Todoist just makes it effortless. Each app's kind of a winner depending what you need. Want to see even more comparisons, tips, and matchups? Discover your perfect workflow match and explore more productivity tools. Seriously, there's a ton out there. Find the one that fits how you work best.